give me a real quick first, what's all in here in your name?
Yeah, so my name's Eli the Realist. I got 4 Resilient Sound Platinum 18s on 2 Terrence Bass 8Ks.
Yep.
I got a 45 amp C-Max built by Mike Hoffman. And I got a single JS 300 under the hood.
Okay. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Nice. Still got a little bit to seal off, baby?
I got a lot of it.
A lot of it.
I got that side to seal off. I got to actually seal off that side. I got the roof to do. I got some, some finishing work to do. I got a lot.
What made you not do exact B-pillar? More space for the seats, or?
I'm 6'2", bro. It just feels so
Oh,
good.
I see it. Yep. Because I've had someone getting them like this.
Yeah,
so.
no, it feels good in here.
Yeah, it feels good. You got the room.
Ice cold AC too.
Yes, sir.
Just got that shit fixed too.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. So 418s, do you know the cubic space on this?
20 in the rear.
20 in the rear.
35 in the front.
35 in the front. Okay, so you're like 1.5 to 1 ratio. Okay.
Yeah, pretty much.
Awesome. And have you metered it for fun yet?
Yeah, loudest score I got was a 156.2.
Okay. So you have all the space used in the back, so your amps and all right here?
Yep.
Got it.
I'll be cutting this in half so I'll put all the amps here and have all the batteries for
that 6-cylinder and cone area?
Yeah.
So you got a bandwidth, 6-cylinder, and the cone area of like an insane build. So you did a really good job.
Thank you. I just need the power.
Yeah. The power? I think you already got the power. You just got to fine tune your port here and close it off.
Have you seen the, bro, it does not move in the highest whatsoever.
It doesn't move much. I noticed that.
So I like to set more power, shrink the rear.
Yeah.
Let's see what she'll do there.
Oh man, that's going to be loud.
Thank you, bro.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we got of Eli's system he showcased at Made of Steel in 2021. This was at the Tampa, Florida area for the show. If you haven't already, go ahead and comment. Let him know what you like about his system, as well as give him a thumbs up. He did a really good job showcasing it and giving us a full rundown. So if you notice the way he has his port, he has a port ratio difference being a 6th order. You can see the back port is a lot smaller than the front port, which helps optimize for cone area control as well as a lower end response with that back port versus the front port. And it has a really good bandwidth. So having a square port like that probably helps him be able to fine tune it. He can adjust the length depth of it as well as if he wants to open up or shrink the port area of that. And he has 2 amplifiers. I didn't find out if they were at 0.5 ohm or 1 ohm. I'm probably going to go ahead and say they're at 1 ohm each, being that these are 2 dual 4 ohm subs. And if you notice the way he has his port adjustment, you can add a little bit of length to your port and shrink it so your port area is a little lower, and that helped optimize for tuning. And of course, it's a work in progress build. We're getting a demo to now. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day, and enjoy. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Does it do better with the window up or down for that?
That one down.
Okay, cool. All right, air trick at all?
Yeah.
Okay. I got my wife over here coming. So you have all the space used in the back, so your amps and all right here?
Yep.
Got it.
I'll be cutting this in half, so I'll put all the amps here and then all the batteries for that.
Okay.
With the blue tick hound, no gas hell, but blessed with beauty, the kind that a rich man can't turn down. It was all roses, sipping in diamonds, sipping on champagne. She was all uptown, wearing that white gown, drinking his last name. She could hear those.
Thanks for the demo. What was your name?
Eli.
Eli, Jacob.
Yep. Thank you, Jacob.
You're welcome, man.